This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Ford Fusion door handle. Begin by gathering a trim tool, a T20 Torx screwdriver, a replacement handle, needle nose pliers, and gloves. Start with a calm workspace, park on level ground, and lower the window for access. Remove the interior door panel carefully, keeping fasteners organized. Take photos as you go to remember cable routing and clip positions for an easier reassembly. With the panel off, locate the handle screws and linkage, work patiently, and keep parts in order. Use the T20 driver to remove mounting screws and a trim tool to release stubborn clips without damage. Note the orientation of rods and clips and photograph them if needed. Slowly lift the handle assembly out, watching for any hidden fasteners or adhesive. Place removed parts in a container to avoid losing small components. Install the replacement handle by aligning it with mounting holes and hand-threading bolts to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the rod and clip, ensuring the clip snaps securely and the latch moves freely. Reattach any electrical connectors and press the moisture barrier back in place. Test the lock and handle from both inside and outside several times to confirm smooth action. Finally, reinstall the door panel, secure all fasteners, and clean the work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.